Okay, so I'm opening the dishwasher. The tray is in there. It will not even close. It seems to be warped. Especially not clicking on this side. This side seems to be the side that is been pulled out or misaligned. Here's the gasket. I really don't see that that's the issue. This is the best view I can get of this hinge. This is the best view I can get of this hinge. See how there's this big gap in this hinge here? Over here, no gap. That's probably what's going on, because this door is not even closing anymore. And I'm really pushing. So I think a new door and or a new dishwasher and or new hinges is what's going to be needed. Let me know how long it'll take. Thanks.